Happy Memorial Day weekend. It's Sunday fun day. I hope you guys got big plans. Me personally, I am going to be working. I'm gonna try to spend some time with the kiddos today. Maybe get in the pool, enjoy this beautiful weather. It's crazy. Yeah, I hope y'all are having an amazing weekend. I got a big week coming up. No expectations, no goals. I'm just gonna try to crush it, whatever that may be. Oh, I'm super duper excited about the journey, about life. I hope you are too. And yeah. I'm super duper excited. Welcome. I'm the Chief NFT Strategist, gang in the building. How y'all doing today? I am doing pretty good. Super excited for the week. Super excited that the boys are coming back. The boys are coming back on Amazon Prime. If you haven't watched that show, it's pretty cool. It pretty much takes superhero shows to another level. Check it out. I think this is season 3 or season 4. I think it's 3, but I'm super excited. It's taking a while. I think the boys are coming back. I think the Umbrella Academy is coming back. The movie Thor is coming out. Top Gun is out. I still haven't seen, what's the movie with Doctor Strange? Still haven't seen that. So it's a lot of things that I have to get caught up with. I think I still got 2 or 3 episodes left with Ozark. So I got to get my show game up. I've just been so busy. I've never worked this much in my life. I literally can go all day working. I went out last night and I watched the fight. And I was at Starbucks right before the fight, just working, just trying to get some things in order. I told you about some of the changes that I am going through on the last show, where I'm pretty much running 2 to 3 businesses by myself. And let me restate that. It's not by myself. I got an amazing team. But I mean, I'm taking on more responsibilities when I took over the home care business on my own. So yeah, it's been a lot. It's been a lot going on. And I'm going to talk to you about a few things. Before I do that, let me do this. So yes, be sure to go out and mint you a bargain NFT with price at 0.85 ETH, which is, I believe, about 100 and I don't know, about 70, 80 bucks. The price of ETH has come down significantly. I think it's at 1,800 bucks. The price of Bitcoin has dropped under 30,000. And remember, I called it. If you go back and you scroll up and look at some shows, I called it a few months back that it would drop under 30. I haven't even looked at the chart. Actually, may do that this show. I'm gonna look at the chart and just see where it's at and see where I think it's going. So let's look at this chart. This is the 1 day. Let's go 1 month, 6 months. Let's see. Let's go 1 year. So you look at that. It's kind of sideways. Actually, can you guys see my screen? Yeah, y'all can see. Okay. Let's go back to it. So, oh, this is a hard chart. So it looks like let's go to a 6 month. It's trending down. It looks like if you kind of follow this false trend line, it looks like it can go about right here. That's about 29,177. And that's, like I said, this is without like my chart stuff. So it looks like the trend line. So if you're kind of following the bottom, right? Where the bottom, I guess, no, maybe I'm looking at it wrong. So the bottom, I guess, is coming like that. It looked like it's bouncing off the bottom, and it may take off. Let's go a little bit closer. Can I do 3 months? Yeah, see, it's kind of trading sideways at this point. It looked like it's bounced off the bottom. I mean, that's what is it? Support line. Um, Bounced again. Let's see where it goes. I mean, it's kind of playing right now. So let's move on from that because it's kind of hard to say because it is kind of trading sideways at this point. Um, I think I don't really see any indicators that it's going to do anything terrible at this point. I think that it's playing around that 29,000 range. Hopefully, it can get back over 30,000 for all the people that got in at 70. I mean, close to 70,000. So yeah, a lot of people lost a lot of money in the Bitcoin game. I don't follow the stock markets anymore. I'm hearing that a lot of people are predicting that there is something big, bad that's coming. So just be very, very careful, cautious. Get your money game up, save, put your money under the mattress. Be building you some businesses. Build you something that is recession proof. Learn how to make your own money and not be so dependent on others for certain things. So I don't know. The feeling is I've been a part of a lot of different things. I've been a part of the dot-com boom. I've been a part of the '08 mortgage crisis. I've been a part of obviously COVID and pandemic. I do feel like something has happened. I'm not no economist, but when you've seen it and you've seen how, a lot of things just don't make a lot of sense. I mean, real estate prices have gone up significantly. Just make sure you do things to protect yourself. So let's share this. So they say NFT 2.0, the next generation of NFTs will be streamlined and trustworthy. NFTs are moving into the mainstream, but this requires a streamlined and trustworthy experience for the general public's mass adoption. Um, let's see. Anything about this? Three. I like this section. Advantage of Web 3 over Web 2. Semantic technologies will take a leap in general. Marketing will be more personalized in real time, a better app experience, more private and secure internet. So basically, better protection. AI powered search engines for more relevant search results, better connectivity, do semantic metadata, peer to peer network, personalized browsing. I got to read a little bit more about this. Built for mainstream NFT 2.0. The current iteration of entities is not designed for mainstream consumption. The onboarding system isn't smooth for consumers. The volatility is damaging to true fans, a lot of scams, and it skews the artist fan relationship. There's too much dissonance between the sticker price of an NFT and the value it is able to provide consumers, and many collections are seeing rough demand shocks as they fall to execute on their roadmaps. Battery's going low. Let's see how much percentage I got because I might got to go get my charger, y'all. Yeah, I think that the problem with a lot of NFT projects is that they sold based on hype. They got celebrities involved, but at the end of the day, they didn't have any real value for the purchaser. Those communities kind of died out, and therefore a lot of the art has no value, no real utilities, and that is the problem with the NFT game. Everybody wanted to get in. People were making money, or so they thought. And now I think the dust is settling, and you have to offer real value to your community, to the consumers. So I think that when you heard people like Gary Vee say 98% of these projects are going to fail, he was dead on because at the end of the day, a lot of people got in for the money grab, and now you actually have to have real value. You have to be a real business in building something, selling something substantial or something relevant to your consumers, and you're actually giving them value. So here's how much money you would have lost if you bought a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT a month ago. And we always hearing about Bored Ape being the blue chip in the NFT space, but this just kind of give you an idea of where the market has gone and how you cannot just get into the hype, buy into the hype. You have to do your research. You got to look at those charts, look at those trend lines. You got to understand, where it started and where it went. I mean, if someone bought it at $300 and it got all the way up to 300,000 or north of that, they're up, they good. So if you get in, I mean, think about the people that bought Bitcoin at 60, 70,000. Can't miss. It's going to, you know, 100,000. And now it's back under 30. You got to be careful. Your entry point is everything. Your exit game is everything. You got to understand, why am I doing this? You got to look at what has happened and where it's going. So you got to be very, 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 very careful when you invest in anything. But anyway, here's how much you would have lost. Let's see. When the crypto market was generally sluggish over the first quarter, some investors turned to non-fungible tokens or NFTs, which outperformed most other digital assets at the time in search of a haven. However, the bets soon turned sour. So Bored Ape Yacht Club, I'm skipping down. You guys can read this at your own discretion. Bored Ape Yacht Club, one of the most popular NFT collections, saw its floor price, or the lowest price among its items, plunged to 88 ETH on Friday, or about 153,000 from 138 ETH on April 27, or over 390,000 based on Ether's price at the time, according to data from CoinGecko. It went down more than 60%, or 237,000 during the past month. I'm gonna leave that right there. Like that, my friend, is crazy. So, I mean, and obviously, if you were able to purchase it at those prices, you had a lot of money. But I don't care who you are. Nobody likes to lose money, and nobody likes to lose money that fast. So it's crazy what's happening in the NFT space, and hopefully, like I said, we'll start to see things start to pick up a little by little. And more importantly, I think that, me personally, when you've been around the block so much, you understand that fast money isn't real. I think that you understand that in order to build real wealth, you got to build the infrastructure, you got to build a business, you got to build a portfolio, and you got to be patient. And that, some people that come into better situations, they may not look at it like that. But when you're someone like me, that's the only way you could look at it, because I've tried all of the guaranteed ways to make a lot of money. The real estate flips. I mean, I remember years ago, I invested like $20,000 into a real estate course. Thank you, Donald Trump. And you were guaranteed to understand how to do all these amazing things in real estate. And that investment didn't turn out too good. I've invested a lot of money in understanding the various characteristics of stocks. And not only that, I went to college for stocks, and I made a decent amount of money, but that didn't turn out too good. Same thing with so many different things. I mean, now you got this NFT crypto market guaranteed. And then you see, like I said, there are people that bought in close to 70,000, that's under 30. So you got to be very careful. The one thing I do think that you can and you will make a lot of money if you take your time, you build the infrastructure, you build a business. Now, you don't have to build a brick and mortar. You don't have to build a traditional business at this point. You could build up your persona. You could build up your social media following. You could build up a YouTube page. You could build up so many different things if you're willing to build the infrastructure, take your time, be patient, and really go for it. So I'll leave y'all with those words. Happy Memorial Day weekend. I hope you're enjoying. I hope you do something fun. Hope you enjoy your day off. Me working. But the good thing, I love the work. I love it. I love the ability to see what's coming and keep pushing, and getting the right people to be a part of it with me. And it's fun. It's fun for me. So you be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the notifications, please share. And yeah, you have a great weekend. I'm out. Bye.